How to make a gradient background in Canva. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to make sure that we open our Canva website right here and open our project. So once you're now on your project, the next thing that we need to do is to add a shape. So what we're going to do is to go here on the elements, and under this shape, you will see a bunch of shapes. So once you click the see all right there, you will see a bunch of shapes right there. But what we're going to use right here is the square shape, which is right here. Now, what we're going to do next is to resize it like this. So we're going to occupy all of the space in our canvas. So once we are now done with this, the next thing that we need to do is to just click this one right here, which is the color section. So once you click the color section right there in the left screen, you will see the default gradient colors. So you will see a bunch of gradients right there. So let's say, for example, you want to use this, you can click that, this one or this one. And if you want to look for more gradients, just click the see all button right there, and then you will see a bunch of gradients that you can use. So we have here the cool tones, warm tones, monochromatics, and all gradients. So let's just say, for example, that we want to use this color. Now, once you do that, if you want to edit the color right there, the next thing that we need to do is to just go back into this part. And then in this part, under the document colors, just hover your cursor in this color, and then you will see this edit button. So just click the edit button right there. And then in this part, under the gradient colors, you will not be able to edit the color. So let's say, for example, that we want to change it into a lighter blue. So we can do that by just dragging this in here. Or if you want to make these a little bit lighter also, you can also do that right there. And you can also change the style right here. So we have 5 styles, which is this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So once you're now done with this, that is basically it. You can now use it to design your canvas, and that's it. So once again, that is how to create a gradient background in Canva.